Hi brothers and sisters, this video is a continuation of last week's video on how to add pages to our website. Today we're going to add the What We Believe page, we're going to add a form to our Contact Us page, and we're going to add a link to an external page where we accept donations. To add the What We Believe page, we're going to go to Pages, and we're going to click on the plus sign. And we're going to select a standard page. And here we're going to give the name to our page. We're going to name it What We Believe. And then we just click on Done. Then it created the page, so now we're going to change the background. And I'm going to get an image from my computer that I have found before. Okay, it's uploading it. It would be good to put an image of a cross, but this image is good too. It's about worship. So we're going to click on Save. And here we put the name of the page, What We Believe. So people know they are in the right place. Okay, in this time I'm not going to do the page in detail, but I'm going to tell you really fast what to do. We hit Publish to save it. If we go to Build, then we can drag elements here. So we can put the title. I put it, but it didn't work. So we put the text element. And there you can write what you want. I'm trying again to put the title, and there it is. So here I'm going to put the name of the page again. And here you can write what you desire to write there. And we click Publish to save it. Now I notice that the menu is not showing that page. So I'm going to see how to fix it. I'm going to go back to Pages, and when we change the order, now all the menu items show up. Those things happen sometimes. If you don't want to have so many menu items, you can make it a subsection just by dragging it. Okay, now we're going to add a contact form to the Contact Us page. So to add it, it's not good to show our email because we might get a lot of spam, but the contact form lets us receive email without putting our email on the website. So we can just drag it there, but I'm going to create a section. And in there, I'm going to add the contact form. Okay, and that creates it for us. And we can edit it now. So you just click on it and click on Form Options. And here you have to write the email where you want to receive the emails when people fill the form. And then Google CAPTCHA is so that you don't get spam in your email. So now I'm putting in a test email and enable that. And that says when the people fill the form, they can get a confirmation message. And here you can change the text of the submit button if you want to change it to something else. Okay. And here we can change the title of the form. So I am going to change it to Email Us. Okay, and that's all. So we just click on save and then we click on publish. And now we're gonna see how it looks. See, the form looks really nice. To test it, you can send an email to yourself to make sure that it works. Now, in our main menu, we want to add a link to an external page where we receive donations. So we're going to pages, we click the plus sign and click on external page. And here we're going to give a name, give, and we can put donations. And here we can get the link from the company where we accept donations. Many churches have companies that are external where they accept donations, and that's a good thing, so it's more secure. Then we put done, and see, it shows it in our menu. And something is important is to check that hide from search engines, and we click on publish. Very important when you have any website and you accept donations is to have a security certificate enabled. And normally in many hosting companies this is free. So in Weebly, to do that, you have to go to settings and then scroll down to SSL. And by default it's not enabled, but we're gonna click here and enable, and that changes it for us, and now it's enabled, and then we click on publish. Thank you for joining me. If you have any comments, please leave it below. And next week we are going to cover how I created a logo for this website and how can we use color to reflect our branding. See you next time.